Creating rules for configurations with a time-bounded configuration example. There are many use cases for applying rules to a particular configuration. One can be maybe you want to collect more data or more traces in an event such as Christmas busy shopping season, or on Black Friday, or even on a weekend when your business may be closed, or you just don't need all the granular data coming from your hosts or infrastructure. So you'd like to apply a rule and change the configuration file to take place during that time. So this example, we're going to select a configuration from the configurations list view, and it brings us to the details screen. We're going to click on Rules tab, and we're going to click Create Rule. This example here is going to be a weekend rule, and it's going to be a description of, and we're going to collect less data because our business may be closed on the weekend, so we're just going to collect minimal up-down telemetry from this Linux host. We're going to click to create a condition here, and we're going to do exact time. And what we're going to be doing here is creating a window for when these conditions are met. Within this time window, this configuration is going to apply to the agents I specify. So we are going to select, for example, this weekend, beginning of the weekend. And then we're going to add another condition of exact time for is earlier than. So we are having a time-bounded window here. So we're going to have is later than and is earlier than. We're going to pick Sunday, the end of the day here. Also, you can override these. So that'd be 59. All right, so we have a time bound of time is later than and time is earlier than, which contains all the weekend. And then we're going to apply this configuration. You can apply it in a number of ways, but for this example, we're going to select an agent manager, Ubuntu testing 2. So any of the collection agents that have this type of configuration file that applies to those collection agents, this configuration file will apply to them during this time period. We're going to click Create. And there we go. During that time period, this rule will make sure this configuration is applied. And after that window, it will not apply. You can have one rule or many rules here and specify different weights. And the highest weight that's applied to a rule will be the highest precedence. If you have any more questions or want to read more about our Passport Rules engine, then you can navigate to docs.strakonis.com, go to the configuration section, and visit Rules Engine for more information.